Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Sunday, June 8th. Quickly looking at the weather threat matrix, we are looking at hot conditions Monday into Tuesday with the potential for some showers and thunderstorms developing late Tuesday. Then another round of stronger storms anticipated for Wednesday, especially across north central Idaho into southwest Montana. Thursday appears to be relatively calm, maybe a few showers, maybe a thunderstorm, but it's going to be fairly isolated. And then maybe an increase in the shower and thunderstorm activity on the Friday time frame. Looking into those heats, we are looking at Monday probably being the warmest temperatures so far this season. We're looking at temperatures 20 to 25 degrees above average for this time of year, which is putting us in the heat risk element of orange to red. Heat advisory has been issued for the lower valleys of north central Idaho, including Orofino and Riggins. They'll probably see the hottest temperatures, but the big concern is that the minimum temperatures are going to stay relatively warm. Everywhere else is going to be hot. It's going to be very concerning during daytime, but we are still looking at fairly cool temperatures. And again, down in that Riggins area, we probably won't see minimums drop much out of the 70s come that Monday night into Tuesday morning. So again, heat advisory is in effect for the areas that are looking at hot temperatures and warm overnight temperatures also. Then we're going to start seeing a cooling trend through the remainder of the week into the weekend. Even though it does look like a cooling trend, temperatures are still going to be running about 5 to 10 degrees above average for this time of year. With that really warm conditions out there, minimum RHs are going to be very low also across the region, especially looking at teens, widespread teens for Monday into Tuesday. The overnight recoveries aren't going to be that much better, so poor recoveries throughout. And then once we start transitioning out of this ridge through the remainder of the week, things do improve, but it does stay relatively dry. Like it says, come Tuesday through the remainder of the week, we are looking at some scattered showers, maybe some thunderstorms each afternoon, evening time frame, with Wednesday probably being our best chance as we have a weak disturbance that kind of moves through the area that will increase those thunderstorm potential. Talking about that thunderstorm potential, here's the probability of thunder where we're looking at 20 to 50% prob, again, across portions of north central Idaho, Lemhi County, into southwest Montana, with Dillon area having the best chance for thunder. With how dry it has been or will be, when these thunderstorms pop, there is the potential for some gusty erratic winds. So some of these could become fairly strong with wind gusts up to 40, maybe 50 miles per hour, depends on their strength. So kind of be on the watch out. But again, kind of widespread shower, thunderstorm each afternoon, but Wednesday appears to be the period of biggest concern. Looking at the 8 to 14 day outlook, we're going to kind of stay in this transition zone called southwest flow, where the trough is going to kind of stick off to the coast. So temperatures are going to be cool over in Washington, but for the most part over the Northern Rockies, we are looking at temperatures remaining above average for this time of year, similar to what we're going to be seeing Wednesday onward. Appears to be what's going to hold true through the 8 to 14 day. And with this flow pattern, we are looking at some scattered showers, predominantly during the afternoon and evening hours. So they are giving us a slight above chance for above normal precipitation. But again, it's relatively low and it's going to be kind of more hit and miss. It's not going to be really widespread. So kind of keep an eye out for that. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the number on the screen. If not, the next briefing will be Thursday, June 12th. Thank you. Goodbye.